Good evening, my dear friends. So now we will discuss two formulas: sum if and sum ifs. So here is yesterday we discussed sum. Now we will discuss the sum if and sum if. So let's move on. Where we calculate where we need this formula. If someone wants a more condition or there is a more condition, so you can use a sum if and sum if. If the condition is one, so we can use only sum if. If the condition is two or more, so we can use sum if. So let's we will discuss how to calculate the only sum if. So now there is only one condition is we want to know Italy, how many games it played by Italy. So let's calculate sum if and select the range. So Italy comes in category of country. Then select category what we want, how many games played by only Italy. Then select the range here, and we got the answer. Now where we do sum ifs. So like if the categories and condition is two or more, then we can use the formula of sum ifs. So now we want to know only like we already know how many games played by Italy, but now we want to know how many points earned by Italy and who's not participate in Champion League. So our second condition is no. So let's check equal to sum if and now firstly we have to select the sum range category first. So category first is country name. What's the second category? Participate in Champion League, yes or no? So we want only no, and here 1 to 10. So Italy, who's don't participate in Champion League, they got the point or 121. Let's check it. Here is your. Thank you so much.